Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove guests from Airbnb reservations. So first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com and of course, make sure that you're logged in to your traveling account. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, just click on this three-line icon, then click on so say for example, we're going to pick apartment in Greater London. So just click on it. Next at the left panel, just scroll down until you see manage guests setting. So just click on it. A new window will then pop up where you can see the lists of your guests. And from here, all you have to do is click on more options. Next, click on change guest count. So from here, we're just going to click on the drop down menu below guests. And all you have to do is reduce the number of guests, whether it's adult, children, infants. And once everything is done, just click on save. And lastly, click on send request button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!